Size is very important to a QuietCool whole house fan system. If a QuietCool system is not sized properly, meaning enough airflow, the system will not work effectively. Airflow is measured in CFM, or cubic feet per minute. You will need to follow the following formulas for proper sizing. For a coastal or mountain region, you want 2 CFM per square foot of living space. For an inland region, you want 2.5 CFM per square foot of living space. And for a desert region, you want 3 or more CFM per square foot of living space. This math formula will work every time for any size home, and as always, the more airflow, the better. The second consideration is ceiling height. If the ceilings in the home are taller than 8 feet, be sure to size the system a little bit larger to account for the increased air volume inside the home. Be wary of other companies that are trying to sell whole house fans. To try and compete with our great price level, many of these companies undersize homeowners, often less than 1 CFM per square foot. This creates a system that is underpowered for the size of the home, and the homeowner will be unhappy with their system. Remember, our sizing formulas are backed by the Department of Energy, PG&E, and the California Energy Commission. If you have any questions on sizing, please call us at 1-888-QuietCool, and we can provide you with documentation and guidelines that can assist you. If sized properly, the QuietCool system will result in a totally satisfied customer every time.